Hey guys, let's understand this problem on sphere. This problem says a hemispherical dome of a building needs to be painted. If the circumference of the base of the dome is 17.6 cm, then you need to find out the cost of painting it. Giving the cost of painting is rupees 5 per 100 centimeter square. So here you know the circumference of the dome. This dome is in the shape of hemisphere and you know the circumference of the base of this dome. The base is this and you know that its circumference will be 2 pi r. Why? Because this base is nothing but circular in shape. Circumference of base of dome. This is given to you 17.6 centimeter square. So what you'll do, let's equate the circumference with the formula 2 pi r. Value of pi is 22 by 7, r 17.6. When you'll evaluate this, you'll get 2.8 centimeter as the radius of this. Now, you will get the radius as 2.8 centimeter. Now, you need to calculate the area of the hemisphere. Surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. You know the value of r. Let's put this value here. 2.8 into 2.8. This will be 0.4. 44 into 0.4 into 2.8. On evaluation, what you will be getting? You will be getting 49.28 centimeter square as the area of this dome. Now, you need to find out the cost of painting. First of all, what you know about the rate? Rate of painting is rupees 5 for the area of 100 centimeter square. For the area of 100 centimeter square, it is costing rupees 5. Now for the area of this, for the area of cost of painting, now you need to find out cost of painting. Cost of painting will be the rate into area of the hemisphere, which is 49.28. So when you will evaluate this, you will get 24640 divided by 100. Now when you will solve this, what you will get? You will get 2.46 rupees. So here rate of painting was 5 by 10 rupees per centimeter square. For the area of 100 centimeter square, it was costing rupees 5. Now cost of painting the area of 49.28 will be somewhere half of 5, and that's what you are getting here, 2.46 rupees. So this is the cost of painting area 49.28. As all of these units were in centimeter square, so you need not to do any conversion here, but if 17.6 will be in meter, then you'll have to change this rate into meter as well, so that you can cancel out both of them. I will be taking more problems in the coming video lectures. Thank you.